When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic appeal and overall value of your home in New Orleans, one of the most impactful yet often overlooked upgrades is replacing your front door. Your front door is the first impression that visitors, passers-by, and potential buyers have of your home. A worn, outdated, or damaged door can detract from your home's curb appeal, while a new, stylish, and functional door can elevate its overall look and feel, increasing both its visual appeal and market value. In this article, we'll explore how door replacement can significantly boost curb appeal and increase your home's value in New Orleans, offering you a cost-effective way to make a big difference in the appearance and functionality of your home. First impressions matter. Enhancing curb appeal. Your front door is the focal point of your home's exterior. It's the first thing people see when they visit, and it plays a critical role in setting the tone for the rest of the house. A front door that is worn or outdated can make your home appear tired and neglected, while a new door can make your home look fresh, inviting, and well-maintained. In New Orleans, where historic homes and unique architectural styles are common, door replacement is an opportunity to enhance your home's curb appeal by selecting a door that complements your home's aesthetic. Whether you have a classic Creole cottage, a Victorian home, or a modern townhouse, the right door can make your property stand out from others in the neighborhood, increasing its visual attractiveness and appeal. With options ranging from wooden doors to fiberglass doors and everything in between, you can select a door that matches the architectural style of your home while boosting its curb appeal and inviting visitors to step inside. Improving security and peace of mind. Your front door is also your home's primary line of defense against intruders. An old, poorly constructed door can be an easy target for burglars looking for weak points to gain entry. If your current door is made of thin wood or lacks strong security features, it may not offer the level of protection you and your family deserve. Replacing your door with a high-quality, secure model can significantly improve your home's security. Modern doors made from materials like steel or fiberglass are much more durable and secure than older models. Many come with multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, and advanced deadbolt locks that provide added protection against break-ins. Not only does upgrading to a new door give you peace of mind, but it also adds value to your home by making it safer and more attractive to potential buyers, who often place high importance on home security when looking for their next home. Energy efficiency and comfort. Another benefit of replacing your front door is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older doors, especially those that are poorly sealed, often contribute to energy loss in your home. Gaps and cracks around the edges can allow air drafts to enter, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. A new, energy-efficient door can help seal your home, keeping warm air inside during the winter and cool air during the summer. Insulated doors, particularly those made from fiberglass or steel, provide superior thermal resistance compared to older wooden doors. By upgrading to an energy-efficient door, you can lower your heating and cooling costs while enhancing your home's comfort. In New Orleans, where the summer heat can be intense and the winters are relatively mild, an energy-efficient front door is an investment that improves both comfort and cost savings throughout the year. Increasing home value. Replacing your front door is a relatively low-cost home improvement that can provide a high return on investment (ROI). In fact, according to the National Association of Realtors, door replacement often ranks as one of the top home improvements that yield the highest return in terms of resale value. A new door not only boosts your home's curb appeal but also makes it more attractive to potential buyers. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, investing in a stylish, energy-efficient, secure door will make your property stand out in a competitive real estate market like New Orleans. Buyers will appreciate the modern features, energy savings, and improved security that come with a new door. For homeowners looking to sell, replacing the front door can be a cost-effective way to enhance the value of your home and attract more interest from prospective buyers. Customizable styles and materials. One of the best aspects of door replacement is the wide range of styles and materials available. Whether you prefer a traditional wooden door, a modern fiberglass design, or a sleek steel door, there are plenty of options to choose from, ensuring you find the perfect door to match your home's style. In New Orleans, where distinctive architectural styles are prevalent, a new front door allows you to complement your home's aesthetic while still benefiting from modern materials that offer durability, security, and energy efficiency. You can also opt for custom features such as decorative glass inserts, bold colors, and unique hardware, which can add a personalized touch to your home's entryway. Low maintenance and durability. Replacing your front door with a modern, durable model means less maintenance and a longer-lasting product. New doors, particularly those made of fiberglass or steel, require minimal upkeep compared to older wooden doors, which may need regular painting, sanding, or sealing. By investing in a low-maintenance front door, you'll save time and money on repairs and upkeep, allowing you to enjoy a beautiful, functional, and durable door for years to come. Conclusion: a simple upgrade with big impact. Door replacement is one of the most effective ways to boost curb appeal, increase home value, and enhance the security and comfort of your New Orleans home. Whether you're planning to sell, improve your home's energy efficiency, or simply enhance its appearance, replacing your old door with a new, modern one is a smart investment that offers immediate benefits. From better protection against the elements and intruders to improved aesthetics and comfort, a new door has the power to transform your home. If you're ready to give your home a fresh new look, enhance its value, and enjoy long-term savings, consider investing in a new front door today.